whereby it is used for training, and this one we are maximizing on private candidates so that they can also be able to access and also undertake their studies. Then we have the administration, and in this case we have the offline and the online mode. We also have an hybrid, and this is based on the infrastructural disparities. Then we have the remote e-marking and the results processing, whereby we do also a lot of data analysis. It is within the same ecosystem. Everything is at one stop. Then we also have the e-slips as we look forward to the certifications that are also e. We have several user reports that are generated, including the item analysis, as well as the reports that we are going to be sharing with you for our findings. They are still within the ecosystem. Then we have the data archiving. That is where we undertake the query management of our assessment-related issues. In this case, ICT is just an enabler, and every process is digital, and it's interconnected, accountable, and environmental friendly. The emphasis on greening our assessment again. Just to take you through the, just briefly on our status right now, we started with a pilot of just 45 candidates for one learning area, one course in 2021, but now as it is, we have over 50,000 candidates. That was by our registration, which closed a month ago. Then again, we also have over 10 programs that are integrated within the ecosystem. And we have over 100 learning areas, over 100 teacher colleges, and then the stakeholders are very many. Actually, it's just an estimate of 100K, because our stakeholders involve not only the college tutors, but also those who participate in assessment and e-marking, as well as supervision and invigilation. We have also been able to move from centralized to remote e-marking, and also our starting was online. Now we have offline, where our candidates, our trainees are able to undertake the e-assessment without having any challenges, because the module allows them to work with the limited internet, actually with no internet connection, after the pulling and the pulling of the assessments in the morning as timetabled. They work like the assessments are just within the college server, and then they are pushed, so they do not get disrupted on issues to do with internet challenges. Then now we are also moving from observation to intelligence, especially for our practicum, whereby we'll be also making a presentation on the same as we shall be doing. The key success enablers include our stakeholder engagement, who are also in this conference, and then our phased and modular implementation approach, whereby we roll out pilots and then iterative refinement to enhance stability and manage the risks of the ecosystem. Then change management and capacity building, that has really worked for us, so that we are able to ensure that most of our stakeholders have been trained on digital literacy, and also been supported to ensure smooth adoption and transition to the ecosystem. We have a robust ICT infrastructure, which is also secure, scalable, and integrated systems that support both online and offline to close up gaps on disparities, although we still have a few gaps for some of our colleges. Then quality assurance compliance, it's through validation on every process that we are able to ensure that the ecosystem works smoothly, ensuring accuracy and integrity. Data-driven decision-making, we use the analytics and reporting tools within the ecosystem for continuous improvement and informed decision-making. On leadership and institutional alignment, we have a strong governance and policy alignment to ensure sustainability, accountability, and strategic coherence. This is generally how we are able to give the insights from scores to intelligence, which we'll also be showing you.